This is the Xsense alarm listener, the SAL100 with voice location. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I love Xsense stuff. I have it all over my house. I've got smoke detectors, hygrometers, driveway alarms, high quality stuff in my opinion. So what is an alarm listener, you ask? This unit basically gives you a way to monitor via the Xsense app on here any smoke alarm or CO2 detector that you currently have in your home, as long as it makes an audible sound when it's triggered, as long as it beeps. It makes any alarm a smart alarm, basically. It's a free personal alarm monitoring system that ties into your home or office Wi-Fi that will send you real-time notifications on your phone if one of them is triggered, and it's pretty awesome. This is a single unit that's sold as an add-on. In order for this to work, you're gonna need the base station. So if you've purchased Xsense products in the past that came with the base station, there's a good chance that yours might be the SBS50, and that's what you're gonna need to use this in. So if you've got this in your house already, perfect to tie this in. The way this works is pretty simple. You say you've got a smoke alarm, and it can be any smoke alarm. So this listening device has an audible alarm on here, and it has a microphone in here where it picks up sound coming from it. So basically, you're going to place this audio listener within a 6-inch range of your already existing smoke alarm or CO2 alarm or other audible alarm. You don't want it closer than 2 inches. You don't want it farther than 6 inches, and they've actually given you this ruler to show you how to do it. You point the microphone toward the device. When the device goes off, this microphone triggers it, and it sends you real-time notifications right on your phone if one of your devices goes off. It's pretty awesome. So you assign a location to this. Let's say you call this one the kitchen, and let's say you've got multiple listeners on here. If one of them goes off, they all go off at the same time, and it tells you the location of the one that went off. Let's say you're in the attic, and you've got one in the attic, and the one in the kitchen goes off. It will tell you the kitchen device is just going off. So these listeners will work with any brand of audible fire alarm or CO2 alarm, battery operated, hardwired, it doesn't matter as long as they beep. Super lightweight, super easy to install. You get free monitoring and real-time notifications via the Xsense app right here on your phone. And they've given you everything you need to get it set up. So pretty awesome.